Today, I'm going to make a pipe cleaner jellyfish with glue, googly eyes and pipe cleaners. So let's start. So we will take one lavender pipe cleaner, two purple pipe cleaners and one pink pipe cleaner. So first we take the lavender pipe cleaner and the pink pipe cleaner. Then we do like this. It should be in the middle. Not so important. Yeah, like the cross. Then we twist the pink one around the purple one and then the purple one around the pink one. Like this. Okay? Now you can see it's crossed like this. So then you should take this pipe cleaner and put it like this and turn it around. Yes. And then you have to change the side like this. I was first doing like this side, now I'm doing like this. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is the front side. Okay, so now I will put this here as this is the front side. I will turn it around like a spiral, but just a bit curved like this, like a cap or something. So I'll just keep turning it like this. So right now this is done, but we have to twist these. I'm going to use my pinky finger like this and twist it around your pinky finger, like as many times as you can. There, like this, and then just pull this end like this. So this is one. We have to do the same to all of them. If you want, you can also use some utensil or something. I just thought of doing it like this. So this is done. Now we just have to put the googly eyes. These are the googly eyes. They're a bit small, but they're very good too. So let me open. Yeah. I have to take out two eyes. Now we need to take the glue. So guys, you can see that our jellyfish is now ready. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share.